quick demonstration and give an explanation to what I'm doing here. I took apart two different tape decks. You can see the inner parts of it right here, and I went ahead and put both heads onto one player. The type of tape deck that I used was the old Sony, what is it, a TCM 818. I used to have one when I was younger. It worked really well. So out from there, I have it connected to a mixing board temporarily. So how I have it hooked up to the mixing board is, let's say this is tape deck 1 and this is tape deck 2. Tape deck 1, I'm using mic input on it, and from that I have it connected to the left channel out on the mixing board. And tape deck 2, from the output, I'm bringing that back into a channel on the mixing board. And my guitar comes in on this channel, and the tape deck comes in on this channel. So by using the pan knobs, the left and right, I can control how much guitar goes into the tape deck. And the amplifier, I've got the amplifier hooked up to the right output. And the same for the tape deck, where it comes in. I can control how much feedback I can send to the tape deck, if that makes sense, if I said that right. And what I did over here is I made a simple circuit to control the speed that the tape's running at. So I can change the delay time from faster to slower. Sorry about the mess. This is more or less a proof of concept right now, just so I can get it working like I want before I go ahead and put it in the case. The case that I got for it is right here. So on the front here, I'm going to cut holes for all the knobs and the input and the output. I went ahead and did a quick mock-up with the other tape deck that I had laying around. The other thing I wanted to show was what I did with the tape here. Let me go ahead and carefully... Nope, not like that. Hang on. Come on. There we go. Let me take the cover off. You can see down here I went ahead and cut some of the plastic off from the inside so I could fit both heads in there. And I just threw some material in there so I could hold the tape down onto the heads. This is just a mock-up right now. The finished one is going to be a lot cleaner than that. That's just to make sure I can get it to work properly. And the other part to it is I'm not going to use the mixing board in the final case. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish building this tiny mixing board. I got the schematics online. And what that's going to do, it's going to mix out the signals for me into these operational amps to keep the sound nice and clean, keep it from clipping.